Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. I am about to show you one of the best values on the market today. Stick around and let me tell you about this thing. That's right, this is our 2012 Suzuki Kizashi. If you don't know what that is, don't feel bad. A lot of people don't, because it's just a very rare car, but it is one of the best cars, in my opinion, for the money. This one is extremely durable. You're still getting that Asian durability that everyone expects, and this thing is extremely durable. This one is the 4-cylinder S model. I love the pearl. If you can see it, I hope the camera's picking it up, but I love the pearl white there. Very sharp. You do have passive entry there with the push button. As long as the key is in your pocket or in your purse, all you have to do is push that button to lock and unlock the car without ever taking the remote out of your pocket. Inside, you can see I love that tan interior. Very sharp. You see you do have a very big glove box there. I love that. Of course, side impact airbags. Coming back to the trunk here, you see that this one is going to be overrun with trunk room there. Tons of space. Absolutely tons of space there. You do have a center pass through there, which makes it really nice if you want to put a cooler back there and you go on a long trip, you can kind of pass stuff through there. Very nice, very solid cars. Coming up front, you can see you're going to have in the back seat here, you're going to have a ton of room. You have a folding armrest right there. You have the hard plastic there, which is really nice. So if you have kids in the back seat doing what kids do, you don't have to worry about tearing anything up. You do have the little net there so you can put some stuff. You have cup holders in the doors there. And coming up front, and again, just one more time, listen to that. Just a super solid car. Very well built here. Height adjustment on the seat there. You do have your duplicate audio controls. You do have your cruise control, which is really nice. Premium audio with CD. Dual automatic climate control. Automatic transmission with the Tiptronic feature, which is really nice. It gives you the fun aspect of driving, and also if you're going down a mountain, super important. You kind of gear down to save wear and tear on your brakes there. A little console there with a USB input. You do have your armrest there that is height adjustable, and my favorite feature, boom, all-wheel drive. You can select from your front-wheel drive to your all-wheel drive mode, which is awesome. Love how solid that car is. Again, super solid car. Tires on this thing are almost new. Again, you are looking at an all-wheel drive car with low miles. This car's just got over 70,000 miles. All-wheel drive, and you're still getting 30 miles to the gallon, and you're still getting that Japanese durability that we all love. This thing comes with our 6-month, 7,500-mile warranty. That is coast to coast with roadside assistance. So if you're out of the area, have no fear. You can buy here. You are covered where you are. Again, 6-month, 7,500-mile with roadside assistance. You also get no processing fees. That's right, no processing fees there at City Motors. We're not going to blindside you. Pay attention to that, because there are people just doing ridiculous fees. It is so easy to find dealers out there charging more than 10% of the cost of this car in fees. That's ridiculous. Don't pay those stupid fees. Less than $9,000, just over 70,000 miles, all-wheel drive, 30 miles to the gallon, and just a sexy car. Do not miss this thing. It is not going to sit here long. You know how hard it is to find cars under 10 grand with good miles, with great durability, and all-wheel drive. Way too much going for this car. It's not going to sit here long. Do not miss it. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.